card ka dahil wala.
Parang ito yung cardboard sa ano.
Galing nga, no? Parang hallmark. Okay. Thank you.
Na-touch naman ako. Oh, guys, thank you.
Ang hirap lang maging artista.
Thank you sa card.
Thank you sa award. Thank you sa award.
And I'll miss you guys. And as I said, babalik naman ako. So.
Oh, everybody says, promise, ha? Promise, ha?
Can't cross your finger.
Seriously, thank you.
Okay.